We will talk about digital marketing. Part 2. Social media marketing means driving traffic and brand awareness by engaging people in discussion online. The most popular platform of social media marketing are Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, with LinkedIn and YouTube not far behind. Because social media marketing involves action audience, it has become a popular way of getting attention. It's the most popular content medium of business to company marketing at 96%, and it's gaining around business to business pair as well. According to Content Marketing Institute, 61% of business to business content marketing increase their use of social media in a year. Social media marketing offers built-in engagement metrics which are extremely useful in help you to understand how well you are reaching your audience. You get to decide which type of interaction means the most of you, whether that means the number of shares, comments, or total click of your website. Direct purchases may not even be a goal of your social media marketing strategy. Many brands use social media marketing to start dialogue with the audience rather than encourage them to spend money right way. This is especially common in brands that target old audience of products and services not appropriate for impulse buy. It all depends on your company goal. To learn more about how Willshape can help you social media strategy, check out the free social media management tool versus others. The next is pay per click marketing. Pay per click or PPC is posting an ad on a platform, paying every time sometime click on it. How and when people see your ad is bit more complicated when a spot is available on a search engine result pages, also known as SERP. The engine file the spot with what is essentially an intent auction, an algorithm each available ad based on the number of factors including ad quality, keyword, landing pages quality, bid amount. Each PPC campaign has one or more target action that viewers are meant the complicate offer clicking an ad. These actions are known as conversation and they be transaction on non-transmission making as a purchases in a conversation. But so it newsletter sign up or a call made to your home office. Whatever you choose as your target conversation, you can track them via your chosen platform to see how your campaign is doing. The next is affiliate marketing. Lets someone make money by promotion and other person business. You could be either the promoter or business who work with the promoter, but the process is the same in the either case. It works using revenue share model. It you are the affiliate, you get a commission every time sometime purchases the item that you promote. If you are the merchant, you pay affiliate for the every sale they help you make. Some affiliate market choose to review the products of just one company, perhaps on a blog or other third party site. Others have relationship with multiple merchants. Whatever you want to be affiliate for, find one. The first step is make connection with the other party. You can use platform designed to connect affiliate with the you can start or join single retailer program. If you are a retailer and you choose a work directly with affiliate, there are many things you can do to promote make your program potential promoter. You will need to provide those affiliates with the tools that they need to success that indicate initiative for great result as well as marketing support and pre-made materials. The next is native advertising. Native advertising is marketing in dialogue. Its goal to blend in with its surrounding content so that it's less bluntly obsessive and advertising. Native advertising was created in reaction to cinematic of today consumer toward ad. Knowing that the creator of ad pay to run it, many consumers will conclude that the ad is based off the consequently ignore it. A native and gets around this basis by offering information or entertainment before it gets go anything potential, downplaying the ad's aspects. It's important to always label your native ad clearly. Use words like promoter or sponsored if those indicate or consolidate. Reader might end up spending significant time engaging with the content before the realizing that it advertising. When you consumer know exactly that they are getting, they will feel better about your content and your brand. Native ad are meant to less obstructive than traditional ad, but they are not mean to the destructive. The next is marketing automation. Marketing automation use software to promote power digital marketing campaigns, improving the efficiency and advertising. According to the static, 90% of US consumers find personalization either very or somewhat appealing. 81% of consumers would like the brand they engage with the understand them better. 77% of campaigns believe in value of real-time personalization, yet 60% of struggle with it. Making automation let campaign keep up with the expecting personalization. It allow brand to collect the analyze consumer information, design target, making campaigns, send and post marketing message at the right time to the right audience. Many marketing automation tools are prospect engagement or lack thereof with a particular message to determine what and how to reach out next. This level of real-time customization means that you can effectively create an individualized marketing strategy for each customer without any additional time investment. Email marketing. The concept of email marketing is simple. You send a promotion message and hope that your prospect click on it. However, the execution is much most complex. First of all, you have to make sure that your email are wanted. This means having an option list that does the following: individualize the content both in the body and the subject line, state clearly what kind of email subscriber will get, an email signature that offer a clearly unsubscribed option. You want to prospects to see your campaigns as value services, not just as promotion tool. Email marketing is proven effective technique. All on its 89% surveyed professional named it as their most effective lead generator. It can be even better if you incorporate other techniques such as marketing automation, which lets you segments and schedule your emails so that they meet to consumer need more effectively.